to Smart Kids Learning. Let's learn preposition of place. Are you ready, kids? Let me know. The dog is beside the bird. Here beside is a preposition. The dog is below the bird.
Here below is preposition.
The dog is in the house. Here the word in is preposition. The dog is in front of the house. Here in front is a preposition. The dog is behind the doghouse. Here behind is a preposition. The butterfly is between the dog and tree. Here between is a preposition. The dog is on the doghouse. Here on is a preposition. The dog is under the tree. Here under is a preposition. The butterfly is above the dog. Here above is a preposition. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like and share the video too.